Now I can show you guys the forward and backward basic. So it's going to be kind of the same rules are going to apply as the side to side. This time we're just going to go forward and backwards. So on that one, you're going to step forward on your right foot, on that one. And then on that two, you're going to bring your left foot in together. So now your feet are going to be more or less in line with each other. Then on that three, you're going to step forward with the right foot again. And then on that four, you're going to tap with your left foot as you bring them together. And that, again, with the weight shifting, because now you're going to go back on that left on that five. So on that five, you're going to step back with your left. On six, you're going to bring your right foot in to bring them together. On that seven, you're going to bring your left foot back again. And then on that eight, you're going to tap with your right. So that way you can continue doing it again. So again, it's going to be a one on your right, two on your left, three on your right, and then tap on four. And then again, 5, 6, 7, tap. It's a little bit faster now, we'll go over that again. So it's going to be a 1 on right, 2, 3, tap on that 4, 5, back on left, 6, 7, tap on your right foot. Okay?